Every breath I'm sinking in, no way to describe it. I'm a riot. I wake up and I'm somehow beside you. Instead of inside you, this shit is surprise you. You don't even notice, don't need to remind you. Wish you could build me a cute apartment, one bedroom where all your heart is. Each place feels broken heart.